Dun, dun, dun. Hi everybody, this is Naomi J. Falk, and I'm going to show you a little bit about indigo dyeing today. So for this dyeing, I'm going to just bunch it all up into a ball like that, and then I'm going to use rubber bands to hold it together. The next one, I'm going to do a little fan fold here. I'm not being super perfect about it. It's okay for what I need to do. So any place the rubber bands are or it's folded up will not be dyed because the dye can't get in there. There you have it. For this one, I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to stick it in the fabric like that. Hello, hello. And squeeze my hand down to my wrist. And then, so I've got this poof. And I'm going to stick a rubber band on it. Just like that. And I'm going to do that a bunch of times. So here is the one that I tied with a bunch of rubber bands and little doodads. Here I have a tub of clean water, and I am going to let my fabric soak for a few minutes so that it can take the dye better. And that's Murray. Hi, Murray. And here's my pot with the indigo. And there it is. That little poofy stuff is called the mother. Hello, mother. I say hello to Mama every day and give it a stir. So we're almost ready to go. You'll be able to see here that the water is not blue. It's a kind of amber brown color, but it's clear, which is exactly what we want. I have squeezed the water out of each of the pieces, and I'm going to put it in the indigo. So here we go. So I'm going to set it in there. It's time to take the fabric out from the first dip, and you can see it doesn't look blue. Here are the 4 pieces that I dipped. The 2 on the left I dipped 3 times at 5 minutes each, and the 2 on the right I dipped twice. Here's that first one that I just jumbled up, piece number 2. And it will get whiter and a little bit bluer once I rinse it and it dries. Number 3. And the fully opened version of the 3rd one. Woo! Number 4, revealed in all its little circular burstiness. Now I am putting in the Synthropol, which is some pH neutral laundry soap. So this will clean the fabric and make it bright and turn the white part of the fabric white so that it gets rid of any of the extra indigo dye. And there's another one soaking right now. So there are 2 in each sink. 1, 2. Or 2, 4. Dun, 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 dun. Here are the final pieces. Woohoo! So thanks for tuning in and learning a little bit about indigo dyeing. See you later! Oh, and I almost forgot. I wanted to show you my sculpture that I'm working on. This is called Flow, and this part's the understructure. And here's one of the sections. It's going to be much larger and encompass the entire room. And here is a close-up detail. All right, thanks very much. See you.